Nicholas Galitzine is an English actor. He is an entrepreneur from a family of Russian princes who was a city financier and whose interests include a glass recycling business. His mother is Greek-American Lora. His sister Lexi Galitzine is an illustrator and interior stylist. He was a student of Dulwich College and was part of a youth theatre company, Pleasance Islington. In his childhood, Galitzine played rugby and football and participated in county-level athletics competitions. In 2022, Galitzine was cast as one of the leads in the movie adaptation of LGBT romance novel Red, White and Royal Blue, playing the fictional Prince Henry of Wales opposite Taylor Jacker Paris. His debut single Comfort was released on June 24, 2022. He starred in the Netflix movie Purple Hearts, which was released July 29, 2022. In the film, Nicholas plays a marine who marries a songwriter Cassie just for the sake of military benefits, but with time, the game of pretending gets over and they genuinely fall in love. In 2020, he played the bisexual teenager Timmy in The Craft Legacy, which is a sequel to The Craft. In 2021, he also played Prince Robert in Cinderella, appearing on 7 songs on the soundtrack of movie. In 2015, he appeared in one episode of the TV series Legends. He was named Star of Tomorrow by Screen International. Galitzine got his first role in the film The Beat Beneath My Feet in 2014, starring alongside Luke Perry. He also performed several songs for the original soundtrack of the movie. In 2017, he took part in the New Zealand mystery drama The Changeover. In The Watcher in the Woods, he played opposite the Academy Award-winning American actress Angelica Huston. In 2016, he starred in the American drama High Strung, in which he played a young violinist who performs in the subway station. He played a young closeted gay student in the Irish comedy drama Handsome Devil, which was later nominated for 5 awards at the 15th Irish Film and Television Awards. Since that time, the young British actor has not stopped moving forward and he has been achieving success one milestone at a time on his road to even greater accomplishments.